Hello everyone. In this video we will try to make this 3D model. As you can see, we have one elbow over here. You can see from here. And also on this side and this side we have two flange. And on the flange we have hole. So let's start together, guys. Double click to part, front plane, start sketch. And then we can start drawing this line over here. And then we will make our elbow. So you can come to here like that randomly, and then you will just go like that and come back to this point. So you will make radius like that, and then just go up. Okay, let's see what we have over here right now. As you can see, from here for this line we have 150. So we will put 150 over here, and then we have radius, which is 260. Okay, we gave 260, and other side is also same. So 150 over here. But one thing right now, as you can see, this one and this one, we will make it tangent. As you can see, we have tangent over here, but we didn't have. So we have to make it, otherwise we will not have like proper line over here. Okay, we made this. And then what we will do? We have to make this circle over here, because we will make our bend. So it's our way. It was front plane, and then we are going to right plane. Go to right plane and start another sketch. Come to here and let's check what we have. As you can see, inner diameter is 210 and outside is 290. So we will go and choose the circle, one for inside, one for outside. Click OK, and 210 and 290. Inside is 210 and outside is 290. Okay. Now as you can see, we have our path, and also we have two circles over here. What we will do, we will go to feature and choose our feature. And then, as you can see, we have our sketch. It's like automatically it just came to here. You can see from here. And then our way is this one. And when you click OK, we have our elbow. Like that. Okay, next step. We have to make our flange. First, we will make our flange to this side, and then we will put one, like from the center, we will make it mirror. So what we will do, first we will make flange over here, and then we will make one plane to the center, and then we will just mirror. So we can go this side, make it normal, and then just one rectangle over here. Go to sketch, choose center rectangle from here, and from the center point just randomly like that. And then let's check what we have. We have 360 over here, and other one is also 360. So it's like they are both same. So what we can do, first way, we can give 360 over here, and also with the smart dimension we can give also 360 over here. But if you do that, like for this part, maybe it's not a problem, but in the future, when you're doing like complicated projects, and if you wanna make like a revision, if you wanna change this, like let's say like this dimension, let's say 400, you have to change two times because you just gave two times. So what we can do, we can just delete this, left click to this line and control button on the keyboard, and then left click also to this one and make them equal. So when you change this dimension over here, let's say 300, as you can see, it's also changing because they are equal. Okay, we made this 360, right? And then, as you can see, if we make like extruded boss and base, like if we make it like that, it's closing to the, like, like the inner circle. We don't want this, right? What we have to do, as you can see on the sketch, right now we are on this sketch, right? And first way, you can make, like from the center, you can make circle and put the diameter like according to this. But the other way, if you like in the future, as I told you, if you want, if it's like something complicated, and if you want to change the dimension of the circle, diameter, like sorry, the diameter of the circle, and you have to change this one also because you made from circle. So what we will do, we will choose convert entities and we will just choose this corner. Now as you can see, it's on our sketch. And then we will go to feature, and then what is our thickness? We have 50 millimeters of thickness. You can see better from this side. Change the direction and give 50. And don't forget to merge the result. So it will be just one piece. Okay, we made it right now. And then make it normal. What we have? Next one. As you can see, we have like holes over here. So what we can do for this? For this, we can use hole wizard. But for this, we need like, reference points. So we can go to sketch, center rectangle, go to center, and put something like that randomly. And then let's see what we have. As you can see, we have 260 and also other side is 260. So what we will do, we will go and give this 260 and then left click and control button to this one and also to this line, and then give this relation equal and click OK. So when you change this, it will be also like changing this automatically. Okay, we made it right now, yes? And then you can make this one for construction. You can choose all of them and make them for construction. And then we will make our holes. Exit from sketch, go to features, hole wizard. And then let's see what we have. Like as you can see, our hole is, we have inside and then also for the head. So as you can see, it's good for us, right? Make it blind, and the diameter is like outside is 60, but why it looks like that? Okay, we choose this one, like and then we have to choose our type of the, like, hole, and it looks like counterboard. So we will give for this one take like 10 millimeters for first one, and then depth. As you can see, we have 100 over here, but over here we have just 50, right? And then the outside. As you can see, we have 60 and inside is 30. 60 and this one is 30. And then go to position, choose 3D sketch and come to this point, like to the construction lines. Choose the corner and then click OK. As you can see, we have our hole right now. But yeah, okay, it looks fine. Yeah, and then what we will do? We made our hole, we made everything, but before like making like mirror from this face, what we have to do? We will make our fillet, right? We have one over here, and this is 10. So we will choose this edge and give 10. And look, when you choose the line, like inside, like this circle over here, if it's not showing on your model, you can, it means that you don't have any preview. So if you make it full, you will see how it will look. Okay, and then where we have more, like what we have more. As you can see, on the corner we have radius 20. So we will also make them. You can choose this one, like just left click. You don't have to go to features. Just left click and as you can see, you have fillet. This one, and also you can choose this one from here. Okay, we have it right. What we have more? Let's check. As you can see, we have also radius over here, which is 10. So choose this one, give 10. Yes. And then what we will do? Go to reference geometry and then choose the plane, choose this face and also this one. So we have our plane over here. And then what we will do? Yeah, okay. Now it's time to make a mirror from this. Come to mirror and choose our extrude from here. Like, oh no, we have to choose the plane first, right? Choose the plane and then features to mirror. Choose this one, and also we can choose our fillet. Okay, we made them right. And then just make the fillet again one more time. When you click once, like you could make mirror from this also, but when you click once, I wanted to show this one. Let's try together one more time. When you click once and you have these options. As you can see, it will automatically choose also these ones. Okay, click OK. And then choose this one and give also 10 millimeters. And don't forget to give this one 10 for this one also. Okay, we have everything right now, but we have one problem. We gave wrong dimension to holes. So what we will do? We will go to hole and then edit feature. And then let's see what we have. As you can see, 60. Outside diameter is 60. and inside is 30. So this one will be 60, but this one will be 30 millimeters. And then we have our depth. As you can see, it's not going to the end, like, clearly. So we will make it 100. And then we have our depth, and as you can see, we have 10 millimeters. When you do like that, now we have correct one. And then we can just hide the sketch from here. Not this one, not this one, this one. Hide this one. Like, you can just collapse if you want, and make like hide this plane, and then we can just give like good colors. I don't have anything actually. Just no, no, something just normal. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.